Welcome to Hangzhou Aisen Furniture Company Limited. We are a company located in Hangzhou, China, providing one-stop solution for customized projects in all over the world, such as Australia, New Zealand, Canada, UK, Netherlands, Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Our main products: kitchen cabinets, bath cabinets, TV cabinets, wardrobes, and other customized home furniture. We provide different sorts of door panel finishing such as solid wood door panel, lacquer door panel, melamine door panel, PVC door panel, wood veneer door panel, acrylic door panel. All can be customized according to your requirement. And we also can make design for free before you making the order. Our advantage is strict technical control. Makes our products zero mistake before delivery. Besides, we will help you to consolidate all goods together and arrange shipping for you to meet your time needs and provide you superior after-sales service. It is our commitment to walk you through every step of your house project with personal attention and help you to create a new home of beauty and functionality within your budget, but with high-quality products and best after-sales service. Our target is to stop the problems happen in job site. Stop all the problem happen to you. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you in the near future.